In this video, we are going to see that if you want to fix the printer error which says printer not activated, error code 41, here are a couple of solutions that might work for you. First of all, just open up the start menu and just write here services. Click on that. And we want to search for print spooler services. Now, although there are many names, but it is very easy to find because it is perfectly aligned according to the alphabetical sequence. So print, we want to go to S sequence, and here is print spooler. Just double click on it. And we want to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. It is set to automatic and service status should be running. If it is already running, you will not get this start option. So in this case, we have to restart it once. How do we restart? Just click on stop once. And once it is stopped, just start again. And after that, just click OK and close out of here. Once we have done that, we want to head over to the printers and scanners. Just write in the start menu, printers and scanners, open this up. And if you have multiple printers, I recommend you to select that particular one which you want to set as default and just set it as default so that the windows don't get confused between the multiple printers. So right now, this is just for the sake of example, I don't have multiple printers connected. So that's why it is not showing this option, but otherwise it will show you this option on the top right. And third of all, although Windows 11, Windows 10 all comes with the pre-installed software and it automatically detects the devices that are attached to it. Most of them are plug and play, but all of these devices comes with their website, which has the official software link available on that. So if you have a CD or you can access any website online, which is the official website, you can download a software from there. I recommend you to do that, try that thing, and that should definitely resolve your problem. After that, just restart your computer once and make that effective. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.